Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of mass sale order sent by email in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app simplifies customer communication by allowing you to send multiple sale orders via email in one go. With the sale order PDF attached, you can choose from email template for personalized messaging and easily filter orders that have been sent or still not to be sent. It's a quick and efficient tool to streamline bulk order communication and save time. So, first of all, we will go into the sales module. Here, you can see the sale orders. Now, we will be selecting some sale orders. I will be selecting sale order number 28, 27, 26 and 25. Here, you can see the status of the sale order is in quotation. For all the sale order, the status is quotation. Now, click on action button and under that you will find a mass sale order email send option. Click on that and in here you need to select an email template. So you can see the status is quotation and I will be selecting sale order cancellation. If I click on sale order cancellation template, click on that and click on send button. You will get a validation error saying sale order is not cancelled, cannot send order cancellation. As you can see, the status of our sale order are quotation and not cancelled. So because of that, it is throwing us a validation error. Now instead of cancellation, I will be selecting sale order confirmation. And now if I click on send, again it will throw me a validation error saying sale order is not confirmed, cannot send order confirmation. As again it is in quotation state, so it won't be sending a sale order confirmation email. Now we will be selecting sale send quotation. So now if I click on send button after selecting the sale send quotation, you can see the email sending is in progress. So here after this you can see the boolean for quotation email are enabled for this for sale order. We can open and we can check that. So we will be opening one sale order. You can see the sale order number 28. In the chatter also you can see that an email is sent for this quotation, this amount, and it is ready for review. It is sent to the Gemini Furniture. So you can see another sale orders also in here. You can see the sale order number 27 and every little detail in here. You can also find a boolean for quotation email send, which is true, indicating you have sent a email send quotation. Now we will go into the setting. Under technical, we will find a option for emails. Open that and here you can see the email which has been sent regarding this for sale order. Open that and here you can see from and to. You can see an email is sent to the Deco Addict. Here you can see the body of the email, and here in attachment tab, if you open this and if you open the quotation, here you will find a download PDF button. As soon as you click on that, you can view your quotation in PDF form. Here you can see every little detail of your quotation. Here you can see the amount and everything in here. Now discard this and we will again hop on to our sales module. Open that and in here if you click on this button, you can see there are customized filters, which is quotation email send, quotation email draft, sale order confirmation email send, sale order confirmation email draft, sale order cancellation email send, and sale order cancellation email draft. You can select any one of them and you can filter the quotations. Here I have selected quotation email send, which we just sent it. So you can see the quotation which we just sent it from the email are filterized in here. So remove this filter and now you can see the every quotation. Now I will be selecting these two sale orders, sale order number 6 and 7, which are in sale order state. So again I will go into the action button and I will be selecting mass sale order email sent. Here I need to select the email template. I will be selecting sale send quotation. Now again, if I click on the send button, you can see a validation will pop up saying sale order is not in draft state, cannot send quotation. As we saw that the quotation we have selected is in sale order state, so it will throw me a validation error.
If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.